What's up? I'm Jamie.
I'm Giddel.
We received some goodies and we're doing a Sullen haul video today. Uncle Jeremy from Instagram, co-owner of Sullen, sent us some really cool t-shirts. I own most every one of them already, but he sent me stuff that I don't have and sent her some cool stuff as well. So we're about to go through that and let you guys check it out. We're going to go through the bag and tear into it. She likes to open it.
This one's a tank top, and this is called the Lucky Tank. This is what it looks like. It's gray. Would you call this like a razorback?
T-back.
Yeah, T-back. And it looks like this.
And if you wear it backwards, this T-part portion will go right in between your boobs. And you can go to Walmart like that.
Like that picture.
And nobody says anything. Because it's Walmart.
So it has the logo Sullen and flowers with some.
You can bring it closer to the camera for
with some jewels.
So,
Good
Christmas number 2. I'm gonna go one of mine too.
You should
Go ahead.
We'll switch.
No, you first.
Okay, ladies first. Oh, neat. Okay, this one, I've actually never seen any of these, so it's my first time. This one is like a, what would you call it? Like a taupey color?
Yeah.
Yeah, with taupe colors.
Snood.
Yeah.
Snood.
And it has this print on it.
I have a black shirt with that on actually on the back.
Yeah. With the eagle and has like a snake on the bottom. And this one is called the Engaged Twist Off. And the back is really sexual. Big hole.
Baby got back. So if you happen to have back fat, you can shove it off. Or back muscles, either way. Red, boom. This is gonna change my game up. Because everybody knows I wear all black. But this is black and red, so I can do this.
It works.
Jeremy probably looked at my Instagram and said, sending this fella some color.
Branch out.
I like that. Very cool. I actually have this in black and white. Sturdy though.
And you're also wearing this one.
I'm wearing this one with the skull thing. Looking up.
They're all really soft, by the way, and stretchy, so you can dress it up or dress it down.
And their hats, by the way, are by $59.50. My favorite cut. Like all the MLB hats and stuff are made by them.
Yeah.
This one particular one is fitted. And I love these. I have ones that I swim in, ones that I don't.
You have like a collection.
Good quality stuff.
Yeah.
The embroidery's good too. It's raised a good bit. They have a black on black. Had a black on black. I don't know if they still carry it, but I have a black on black one from back in the day.
Nice. This is a tie-dye shirt with white and like a denim blue print on it. It's also a V-neck. And it says Sullen, built to last. And their shirts do last.
Oh wow.
That's what the print looks like.
You got a long sleeve.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Long sleeve.
Cool.
V-neck.
Yeah.
Cool art. All their art is if you're not
Tattoo
if you're not familiar with Sullen, they're kind of like an art collective that tattoo artists and artists get to submit work to, and they get featured on the shirts. So some of my, I've actually discovered lots of really, really talented tattoo artists just from, you know, scoping out their artwork on their t-shirts. That was really nice.
I like that.
Cool, even if you're not a Scorpio. That sounds really
So
nice.
rocky.
Look, it's my skin tone. That's cool.
Oh, I love that
this
one.
That's cool.
You had that.
My favorite color. Yeah, hands on. I just have this. The guy version of this, yeah. Yeah, typically they make a guy and girl versions of shirts, so you and your boo thing can match.
Yeah. And every artwork on the back is always bigger, and then there's always like a little version of it at the front.
Yeah, that's my jam. I like the larger artwork on the back.
Yeah.
I can't stand like really busy, overly busy artwork stuff on the front. I feel like it's supposed to be business in the front, party in the back. I like my hair. And another, my favorite. I like these simple. I just love simple stuff, so I'll wear the crap out of this.
You know.
Awesome.
Uncle Jeremy hooked it up.
Yep. Shout out Uncle Jeremy. We appreciate you.
I got this one is called the Fly High. And it looks like this. This one's like a muscle tee. Big print on the front. Plain on the back. It's really nice. I love these. Perfect for summer.
Very nice.
Show off your cats.
And your belts.
Yeah.
Another. He must know me. I think he researched me. So I like the simple stuff. Then simple badge tee. This cotton, by the way, good stuff. I wear the crap out of these and do everything from like yard work to like taking them in the ocean or whatever. And the cotton holds up great. I don't even know if it's 100% or what kind of blend it is. It is 100% cotton, but it has that cotton poly feel. Like it doesn't have a high stretch to it, so it maintains its shape throughout the day and doesn't get all like baggy in the middle like you have like
you know after you
like your the fat boy wide body tees, you know. So I really love these shirts because they keep their shape, even when you
wear it out.
Sweat balls on the motorcycle or whatever. It doesn't turn into like a crumply mass. Oh, and each shirt, the label is also a sticker. I just wish it didn't have that little hole in it. I would be super happy. Oh, yep, I have this. I actually bought this one like a couple weeks ago. Now I have a backup. Boom, front, small pocket artwork. I think it's on that side, yeah. Pocket artwork.
Awesome.
Cool. So that's it for the haul portion of us unboxing everything. I'm going to actually go take some photos of us in Vegas on our trip there this coming third.
Video snippets.
So we'll do some, I'm going to try to do like a little video montage of us like doing fun stuff and wearing Sullen stuff, because I mean, I always wear it anyway, so.
Every day.
I just need to video us doing stuff.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll catch you guys on that video and subscribe to her channel. I don't have one. We'll be sharing it, because why not?
He's always welcome to my channel.
I have to edit it, so I guess I get to make cameos. But yeah, look for that, subscribe, and share this if you feel like it.
Yeah,
Peace.
share, comment, and subscribe.
And,
and thank you for Sullen.
Yes,
for
definitely
sending
thank
us
you to
this
Sullen.
stuff.
And you guys check out their stuff. Super simple, good quality products, and
You get artwork inspiration.
their website doesn't suck. You just tape out whatever. It always comes.
Very reliable.
Peace.
See ya. Yay!